So welcome back, guys. So we have our data in the database successfully. We've added them successfully, and we're going to plug these in and put them here, and we're going to use conditionals and just a couple of stuff that we talked about in Django template language, just to introduce us to have a feel and just know what it entails and all. Okay, so I'll be going back to the views folder, the views file, and I'm going to change this. I'm going to import our data, please, here. Import bookstore. Okay. So this is book. Bookstore.objects.get okay, so we're trying to pass in a context here to the front end using Django templating. So we're going to pass this in as a context, and actually you can pass in more than one context at a time. Okay, all you just need to do is to separate them with a comma and you should be good to go. Okay, let me actually demonstrate here so we can see. So the next stuff I might want to pass here is the book author. Okay, so bookstore dot objects dot get. So you can see that we're also getting suggestions of what we can pass into the bookstore. So these are the various fields we had included. So if you pass in anything outside of these values, you're definitely going to get an error. Okay, so we have book author. Let me see. Achebe. Okay. So I'm going to add this here as sorry, this is book, not book author. So this is book author, and this is it. Okay. So this is it for the views, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the template. And okay, so now I'm going to try and just run a couple of logic just to demonstrate what we're doing and create some examples of the various constructs we had talked about earlier. So now I'm going to run a for loop and a conditional. Alright, so okay, so I'm going to say stuff like if book author, then run this block of code. But then whenever you include this tag, always ensure you include a closing matching tag as well, or a matching closing tag. So which is this, and if, and then we also tab in words and paste what we have. Okay, alright, so everything is actually working well in the terminal. So let's go back to the browser and see what we have. If we refresh, oh, does not exist. Wow, we're having an error somewhere. Template bookstore. Oh, bookstore matching query does not exist. Okay, so as a programmer, you definitely have to debug a whole lot of stuff. So it's our turn.